Kamusta mga balibulista? Tinalo ng Capital One Solar Spikers ang Strong Group Athletics 25-18, 25-20, 19-25, 25-20. Best player of the game si Jorel Singh sa likod ng kanyang 13 points mula sa 12 attacks, 1 block. Kung bago ka pa lamang sa channel na to, mag-like na at subscribe. Panalo naman ang Akari Chargers kontra sa Farm Fresh 25-19, 25-15, 25-22. Best player of the game si Michelle Cobb sa kanyang 3 points mula sa 1 attack, 2 blocks na may kasamang 16 excellent sets. Heto ang team standings as of March 5, 2024. Chocomocho Flying Titans 3 wins 0 loss. Signal HD Spikers 2 wins 0 loss. Creamline Coal Smashers 2 wins 0 loss. Petrogas Angels 2 wins 1 loss. Cherry Tigo Crossovers 2 wins 1 loss. PLDT High Speed Hitters 2 wins 1 loss. Akari Chargers 1 win 2 losses. Capital One Solar Spikers 1 win 2 losses. Farm Fresh 1 win 2 losses. NX Lead Chameleon 0 win 2 losses. Galleries Tower High Risers 0 win 2 losses. Strong Group Athletics 0 win 3 losses. Heto ang game schedule ngayong March 7, 2024 na gaganapin sa Phil Sports Arena. Sa first game maghaharap ang Creamline Coal Smashers at Galleries Tower High Risers alas 4 ng hapon. Sa main game magtutos ang Signal HD Spikers at NX Lead Chameleons alas 6 ng gabi. Kung nagustuhan mo ang video na to, mag-like na at subscribe.